Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected dignitaries, honorable panel of juries, my esteemed opponents, and the wonderful audience out there. A very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. Marijuana, cocaine, MDMA, fentanyl, tobacco, alcohol, the wrong path. As I mention these names, I see the eyes of the adults in this room widen, never youths turn their heads. Let me ask you one question. What is so shocking about this situation? Do we really need another news headline to tell us what's going on in our youth? Do we really need another 16-year-old to die from a drug overdose? Do we really need another teenager to be caught with narcotics in their school bag? Many of you may be thinking, well, drugs don't concern me. But it does concern you. It concerns all of us, and we cowardly to pretend that we are not exposed to it. Today, I stand before you to address this critical issue that is silently eroding the foundations of our future. Substance abuse among our youth. This problem is not just a distant concern. It is one that touches the lives of many, destroying the life and brightness of our youth. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the future depends on what we do in the present. But I'm sorry to say, we the youth are not doing enough to eradicate this menace. Substance abuse involves the harmful or hazardous use of psychoactive substances and illicit drugs, which leads to addiction. And yes, addiction is a serious problem. It will impact your health, your personal development, your interpersonal relationships, the social issues affect your families and communities. The youth, particularly students, are at a higher risk due to factors, peer pressure, academic stress, the desire to experiment. Drugs. They steal away so much, they take and take until every time a drug goes into a child, something else is forced out. Like love and hope and trust and confidence. Drugs steal away the dream from every child's heart and replaces it with a nightmare. And it's time we stand up and replace those dreams. Statistics say in India, approximately 13% of people under 20 years of age are involved in drug and substance abuse. A national survey estimates 1.2% of adolescents aged 10 to 17 years of age use inhalants, 1.8% use opioids. This is no joke. These figures highlight the urgent need for effective education prevention programs. Education. Education is our strongest weapon against substance abuse. Comprehensive drug education programs in schools and universities should be our first priority. They will help us develop skills to resist negative peer pressure. It's important to foster a culture where seeking help is seen as a strength and not a weakness. We must stand by each other, offering support and guidance to those who may be struggling. We can participate in community outreach programs, form Just Say No clubs, awareness campaigns, collaborate with local organizations. We are not just the future, we are the present. Our actions today will determine the health and well-being of our communities tomorrow. Remember, indifference is not an option. Let us take up this responsibility with determination and commitment to build a stronger, healthier, and safer tomorrow. The power to make a difference lies within each one of you, so use it wisely.